Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are men long sleeve shirt Mockup. You can easily download from our website by GFX. I will leave the link in the description and here. 3 template. This is a preview. And it is also completely customizable. Here, these are just written logo, fix, shadows, back, front. You can see this is completely customizable. Here you can add your own texture, add your own logo, shirt color can change. You can see the shirt here. And so on. I know you can do this. And here is the displacement. Here is the first template. You can simply print your own design, change the color and many more. Here is second. Shirt design. You can print your own print background, add a background and many more. And here is the third one. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.